Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to turn off comments on TikTok post. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is open up your TikTok app. Having opened up your TikTok app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here. And the next thing you need to do is to select the post that you want to have the comment on your TikTok account. So I'm going to select this post right here. It's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to simply swipe this way. And then you have to navigate to privacy settings. And the next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this button. With that, nobody will be able to comment on your post on TikTok. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.